If you're just getting into vibe coding, then you're probably amazed with how easy it is now to build products that you can use. That being said, it's one thing to build a product that you can use. It's another thing to build a product that other people can use and that you can actually sell as a business. So what we have here is probably something similar to what you have. A to-do list, which works. I can go ahead and enter something in. It has a date picker. It looks gorgeous, by the way, thanks to Claude 4.5 Opus with skills. We have a video showing you how to use those and how to get these beautiful AI generated front ends. That's a topic for another video. But anyways, so I want to actually turn this into something that people can use. Like right now, I can send this to someone, they can go on, it saves to their browser. But if they clear their cache, delete their browser, anything like that, their local storage is going to go away. All their tasks are going to go away. That's not what you expect with an actual product you're paying for. So there's 3 things that this product needs to have in order to be a business that can be sold to other people. People need to be able to log in and sign up, so it needs to have auth. There needs to be a way for people to pay me to use the product. And there also needs to be somewhere a bit better for people to store their data so that it doesn't just stay on their one device. So the easiest way that I'm aware of to do all of those things is with the Memberstack MCP, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So first things first, Memberstack MCP. How do you install it? We have this document right here that explains how you can install it, a little bit more about what it does. Along with that, we have another video showing you how to install it. I already have it installed over here. So what I'm actually going to ask it to do is to switch to my To-Do To app over here. It should be able to do that. All right, there we go. So we have now switched apps, and the next thing that I want to do is actually make it so people can log in. Right now, you literally just go to this page. Like I can pop this open and go here on an incognito browser. And what you're going to see is that, I can just go in and use it right away, and it's just going to save to that browser. So if I do this now and then I close off this browser, it's gone, never to be accessed again. We want people to be able to log in with their account, and along with that, we want them to be able to log in with Google. So I'm going to type up my prompt right now. It should be able to, in one prompt, maybe a little bit of bug fixing, get all of this working. So I'm going to write that up now, and we'll see what it does. All right, so there we go, just one prompt, and this is what we got working. So you can see here we have a sign up page, and then along with that we have a sign in page. So I can go ahead and fill out my full name, email address, password, and whatever, or I can just go ahead and sign in with Google. If I go ahead and click this, it works. So just like that, we got the login and sign up side of our app working correctly. That is awesome. It just took one prompt. I'm super happy about that. As we can see, if I go over here to the Memberstack dashboard, then we have these 2 test users, which I have created. So the next thing that we want to do is make it so that people can actually pay for it. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. And what I want to happen instead is so that when someone goes and signs up, it takes them to pay, charge them, let's say $5 a month, and then they get access to the app. That is how you're going to make it so it can actually be, well, a business. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to write up my prompt. I'm going to tell it how to do it, and then we should be good to go. All right, guys, so it has now finished making the plan, and I should now be able to go create an account and then pay for this as well. Should be in Stripe test mode right now, so I don't need to test it with real money, but let's go ahead and enter some stuff in and see if it is going to let me pay. When I do this and click on create account, it is taking me over here to this pricing page, which looks very nice. Again, Opus 4.5 with skills. It's crazy. And then if I click get started on this $5 a month plan, it is going to load and it's going to take me to the Stripe checkout. So now really quick, let me just do this test payment and then we're going to see what happens. All right, just like that, it has let me pay for the plan. If I go into my Memberstack dashboard over here, as we can see, there is going to be my new member that was created that, as you can see, is on the Pro plan as well. So all I would need to do is turn this to live mode, and then from there, I'd be able to accept real payments. There's one more thing that I want to do in order to turn this from a little vibe-coded toy into a real business, and that is data tables. So right now, if I go ahead and add a task and create a task, what it's doing is it's actually storing that task in my local storage. So yeah, if I go and use a new device or something like that, it's just going to be wiped away. It's going to be gone. So I want to let it know to replace the local storage stuff with real databases using Memberstack data tables. And if we can do that, then we actually have an app that we can officially launch and start selling. So first thing I'm going to do actually is go ahead and exit and then re-enter Claude Code, because as you probably saw, it was about to auto-compact. So now I'm just going to write up my prompt and we'll see what it does. Alrighty, so it has made all of the data structures and everything. I haven't tested it, so let's go ahead and check it out now. First things first, in the Memberstack dashboard, let's go to data tables. You can see here we have tasks and we have lists. So it created all of this stuff for us. We didn't need to do anything. Now let me go ahead and just try to add a task. So I'm just going to enter in some nonsense, due date, priority is high, and I'm going to click on add task. Okay, so we got some issues right here. That's all well and good. It happens. I'm just going to copy and paste these into Claude and ask it if it can fix them. And I will be back with you in just a second. All right, there we go. So it made a simple fix, and now it has created this. Did it add in the data tables? I don't know. Let's go ahead and add another one, and then let's check out Memberstack. Say again, high priority on this one. See if we can check one off. Beautiful. This UI looks amazing, I just want to say. Okay, so here we are in Memberstack. I'm just going to refresh, and let's go ahead and see. So we can see here we have tasks, and it is indeed creating these tasks. So my video timer right here is at 10 minutes, and what my goal from this video was to show you how you can stop vibe coding toys and start vibe coding businesses. As in, things that you can actually put on the internet and sell, that are reliable, that you can manage easily, and that is exactly what we've done here. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. I use the Memberstack MCP for everything because all of these things, auth, payments, and data, they're just really difficult. A lot can go wrong, and they're also really important. So by using the Memberstack MCP, it is just going to be that much easier for you to set it up, and then for you to manage it confidently without worrying about things breaking. So that is it. I really hope this video helps you. If it did, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.